Hello everyone. Today we learn what is Bolt.New. You're confused, right? Don't worry. Venda Kuma will explain everything. Let's start the session.
Okay. So as we have already introduced, what is Bolt.New? Bolt.New is basically a tool like ChatGPT, but it uses for to design your idea, or let's just say if you want to build your portfolio, like you want to convert your resume into your website. So it's basically like transforming your vision as well as like transforming your vision into the reality. That's the basically simple explanation for these things. So, how you can use these tools from idea to web applications, that's what we are going to cover today. So, as I mentioned, like how powerful these tools are, like you don't have to wait for, like before, if you have an idea, you must be like, you just writing out the idea, looking for the people to give you a validation, like its idea is going to work or not. But nowadays, you can just use AI tools to validate your idea, and then you can start working on that by yourself. You don't need anyone, especially like someone from the software industry, to build a website, to build your initial prototyping MVP. All you can do by yourself. And then, especially in the field of prototyping, even these tools are used by professionals nowadays to build the prototypes without coding. You just have to give the prompt, and in that way, you can just play and refine your prompts, and then you will be having whatever you were thinking in back in your mind. And these tools have like full stack features. You can connect with them, like with the backend to get more users. You can scale them as well. And for the optimization and the monetize part, if you are good, like if you take the like paid version of these tools, you can like make a real web app, and even you can use that as your SaaS tool and scale it, optimize it, and in like if everything goes well, then you can even monetize it. That's how like this is the best things about these applications. So Bolt.New, being specific, it's a no-code platform, and they have also recently like started building the web applications, like mobile applications, which is good, but not working that fine. But yeah, they are bringing more upgrades to it. And like last week, they have introduced Figma in their platform. Like if you are good at design and all, you can build your Figma file and then import it to Bolt.New directly and then work on that. It's a basically drag and drop process, rapid prototyping, and results are professionals. Even if you want to start, like, let's just say, uh, the freelancing thing, you can build the stuff over here and then scale it into the market. So benefits of like before and after the Bolt.New. It used to be like if you have an idea, so you just start like working on that idea, doing the customer call, like customer basically client, the your future customers having their validation and working on the stuff. Nowadays, you already have your like first few validations from the AI itself. So you get the validation like within minutes, not in weeks, after like talking to so many people. Zero coding knowledge. You don't have to be proficient in anything. You can just come as a random person and start building your own thing. So you don't have to rely on anything, like literally anything. Just if you never even use ChatGPT or anything, any tools, even though you can build your own stuff, just you have to give a basic prompt to them, like what you are trying to build and what is your like thing. So just a brief thing, and then it will start building something by itself, and then you can give more prompts. Even you can ask idea suggestions from Bolt.New itself and other tools like Lovable as well. And we will be having a demo for both of the things for sure in later after that. And even for the design and everything, they contain everything. You can change the color, you can change the font. If you have any suggestions, you can put them over there, and then they will figure out and give you a suggestions on that as well. As well as I mentioned, you can optimize your tools as well as monetize them. Just after building them over on these platforms, you can have a like do the SEO things and implement it and launch your tool into the market. And then what is lovable? Basically, Bolt.New is good for the websites and mobile applications, but Lovable is like it's a good for like backend stuff. If you have a like powerful backend solutions and you need more data things, so it's easy over here. And it's Lovable is basically good for the web apps, web applications, SaaS tools, more kind of that stuff because it has a good integration with the Supabase and as well as authentication. They have like multiple things where which you can use without any hustle. You just have to connect your uh, ATT with the particular platform, whichever you want to use. And definitely it has advanced features which you can use for free. If you want to scale your thing, then you have to pay. But yeah, it is the same way we are going to use Bolt.New. Like just does the prompt and then it will be converting your things into the website and web applications.